What if I told you nature built a perfect wolf, but secretly gave it a built-in baby pouch like a kangaroo? Imagine walking through the Tasmanian wilderness a century ago and spotting a creature that looks, runs, and hunts exactly like a wild canine, only to realize it is actually closely related to a koala. This is the mystery of the thylacine, also known as the Tasmanian tiger, a creature that challenged everything we thought we knew about how animals evolve. To the untrained eye, the thylacine and the gray wolf are practically twins. They share the same long snout, the same sharp canine teeth, the same digitigrade paw structures for long-distance running, and even highly similar skull shapes designed for powerful biting. Yet genetically, they are further apart than a human is from a blue whale. How could two species on opposite sides of the globe, with no common ancestor for over 160 million years, end up looking almost identical? To understand this cosmic coincidence, imagine two chefs in completely different parts of the world. One is in Paris, the other in Tokyo. They have never met, they don't speak the same language, and they have entirely different ingredients in their pantries. Yet somehow, without sharing a recipe, they both independently bake the exact same chocolate cake. This is what nature did. The environment acted as the recipe, forcing two unrelated lineages to cook up the exact same survival strategy. This incredible phenomenon is called Convergent Evolution. Over 160 million years ago, the mammalian family tree split into two main branches: placental mammals, which give birth to well-developed young, and marsupials, which raise their tiny, undeveloped babies in pouches. The ancestors of the wolf stayed on the placental branch, while the ancestors of the thylacine evolved in isolation on the island continent of Australia. They started from completely different genetic baselines, so why did they converge? Because nature had a vacant job opening. In both the Northern Hemisphere and Australia, there were vast open grasslands and forests filled with fast-running herbivores. To hunt these animals, a predator needed a specific toolkit: long legs for endurance running, a keen sense of smell, and jaws that could clamp down with immense force. Nature's selection pressures acted like a mold, shaping both the wolf and the thylacine into the ultimate pursuit predator. But despite the identical exterior, the illusion shattered when you looked closer. Underneath, the thylacine carried the undeniable hallmark of its marsupial heritage: a pouch. Unlike kangaroos, whose pouches open upward, the thylacine's pouch opened backward. This ingenious design prevented dirt and brush from entering the pouch, while the mother was running and hunting through the dense Australian scrubland. It was a wolf-like body running on kangaroo biology. Modern geneticists have recently sequenced the thylacine genome, and the results are mind-blowing. Scientists confirmed that at the genetic level, the thylacine is not a wolf at all. It is a cousin to the kangaroo and the Tasmanian devil. Their physical similarities did not come from shared DNA sequences, but rather from entirely different genes being activated in similar patterns. It is a masterclass in how different genetic pathways can arrive at the exact same physical destination. The thylacine represents one of nature's most beautiful and mind-bending masterpieces of design. Sadly, due to human hunting and habitat loss, the last known thylacine died in a zoo in 1936, driving this marvel of convergent evolution to extinction. But its legacy remains a powerful reminder of nature's boundless creativity. When given the same ecological puzzle, life will find the exact same brilliant solution, even if it means wrapping a kangaroo in the clothing of a wolf.